Yeah, so this is the building, what I wanted to take a photograph of. And basically, this used to be a doctor's surgery and it's been flooded. Now, before we lose it completely, I just wanted to do this. Yeah, it got flooded, it was a doctor's surgery. Kevin told me the vet used to come over and used to flood all in. So all this would have been flooded and it's been left to go derelict over years. And guys used to park here. Like I said, it was his doctor's surgery. So that's what happened here. And anybody who's watching this is interested, basically. So that's it at the end. We don't want to go too far. Yeah. So that's it there. And there. So, yeah, doctor's surgery. Used to get flooded a lot. It really did. So basically, I left it to go derelict. And that's people know this area. This area of Wakefield. It's a shame. But I think it's going to be knocked down because it's classed as unsafe, and it won't be, because they are redeveloping the area, so yeah, you can tell they're redeveloping it, so I think that's good to be. It's like at a Resident Evil, I think. Alright. Right. Yeah, it's like something out of Resident Evil, right? So, well, that's the old doctor's surgery what my mate used to take. Go to. And I came to it early and it wasn't overgrown as this. But yeah, all this would have been flooded. I know someone asked me, I think it was Martin Brown, who asked me what it was and how it got like this. Well, that's how it got like this, Martin. It was definitely flooded out. So I'm not trespassing, it's a right away, he says. So, there you go. So that's what that was. All this, yeah, it all got flooded, literally flooded. So I just wanted to do a bit of, yeah, because it's something, it's going to be history what's lost. I'm going to call this lost, Wakefield's lost history. So that's what that's going to be. Basically. You see the cracking on, they really did it really well. That's what gets me, really. Well, they're doing really well with it. They're cracking on with it, they're redeveloping it. I think they're building houses. What used to be up there, Warburton's, Warburton's bread. It used to be Mother Pride Jackson's Mother Pride and Warburton's, all making bread. Used to be a bridge what went across over there, and yeah, so there you go. So that's really it, really. So that's it. So that's the bit what I wanted to document. I got you like that little bit of a documentary what I've done. I won't spend too much time around that. So this is the beck what I was on about. Yeah, this is the beck. I'll take a picture from this side.